Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Apple Pay. First of all, you want to go to your settings and scroll down until you see Wallet and Apple Pay, and you want to click on that. And now when you are here, as you can see, I have free cards, payment cards added. There's a few options which we want to turn off that the Apple Pay wouldn't work. So first of all, you want to turn off the double click side button. Also, you want to scroll down to see some other options. And as you can see, there's allow payments on Mac, so you can turn that off. Add orders to wallet, order notifications. You can actually turn all of this off. And it will basically won't let you allow payments and so on MacBook, for example. Now, the main option to turn off the Apple Wallet would be just to remove the cards. So you just basically choose a card you want to, all of the cards actually, you can remove all of them. So let's choose one. And you basically go on the card, scroll down and click remove card. And just like that, you are left with just two cards. Now you can do this to the other, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.